Hi everyone, welcome to Fast on Chemistry. Today we are going to see BSc Part 3, Semester 6, Chemistry Paper number 13, Inorganic Chemistry syllabus of the Semester 6 BSc Part 3, Inorganic Chemistry. So here there are 5 topics for your exam. First is Coordination Chemistry, second Nuclear Chemistry, third one Chemistry of block elements, fourth one iron and steel, and fifth one bioinorganic chemistry. So for your semester 6 there are 5 topics for paper number 13 inorganic chemistry. In this accepted learning outcomes are the topic focused in coordination chemistry. The topic focused on the mechanism of reaction involved in inorganic complexes of transition metals. So, in this topic, there is a mechanism of the reaction involved in inorganic complexes of transition metals. The students can understand the thermodynamic and kinetic aspects of metal complexes. मेटल कॉम्प्लेक्सेस जे आहेत त्याचे थर्मोडायनॅमिक आणि कायनेटिक एस्पेक्ट्स जे आहेत त्याचा स्टडी आपण इथे करणार आहोत. नेक्स्ट आहे न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री. In this topic, the generation of nuclear power with the help of nuclear reactions is highlighted. Role of radioisotopes in medicinal, industrial and archaeology field is explained. Nuclear chemistry, there is accepted learning outcomes where role of radioisotope in medicinal, industrial and archaeology field is explained. And generation of nuclear power with the help of nuclear reaction is highlighted in nuclear chemistry. Next topic, chemistry of F block element. In this topic, the characteristics, properties and separation of lanthanides and actinides are discussed. You know that lanthanide and actinides are F block elements which are kept below the periodic table. Synthesis and IUPAC nomenclature of transuranic element explained. In this topic, all these points are learned. Next topic, iron and steel. The techniques involved in ore dressing and extraction of cast iron from its ore are discussed. In this, you learn the techniques involved in ore dressing and extraction. Next topic is bioinorganic chemistry. In this accepted learning outcomes, role of various metals and non-metals in our health are discussed. Means मेटल आणि नॉन मेटलचा आपल्या हेल्थ मध्ये जो रोल आहे तो काय केला आहे इथे डिस्कस केला आहे बायोइनऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री मध्ये. आता बघा याच्यामधील युनिट फर्स्ट आहे कोऑर्डिनेशन केमिस्ट्री. दिस इज फॉर 12 लेक्चर्स अँड हियर inorganic reaction mechanism. In this point, introduction, classification of mechanism, association, dissociation, interchange and rate determining state. These points are discussed. S1 and S2 reactions for inert and labile complexes. Mechanism of substitution in cobalt 3 octahedral complexes. Trans effect and its theories. Applications of trans effect in synthesis of PT second complex. Next point आहे thermodynamic and kinetic aspects of metal complexes. In this point, introduction, thermodynamic stability, kinetic stability, relation between thermodynamic and kinetic stability, stepwise stability constant, factor affecting the stability of complexes, determination of stability constant by job variation, mole ratio and slope ratio method. Next topic, nuclear chemistry. So nuclear chemistry, in these nuclear reactions and energetic of nuclear reaction, type of nuclear reaction, artificial transmutation, artificial radioactivity, nuclear fission and its application in heavy water nuclear reactor. Nuclear fission, use of thorium, uranium, plutonium in atomic energy, applications of radioisotope as tracers, chemical investigations in esterification reaction, structure determination, phosphorus pentachloride, analytical chemistry, isotopic dilution method for determination of volume of blood, age determination, dating by C40. So next topic, chemistry of F block elements in these lanthanides. Introduction, occurrence, electronic configuration, oxidation state, lanthanide contraction, separation of lanthanide by ion exchange method. Next, actinides, position in periodic table, electronic configuration, general method of preparation of transuranic elements, neutron capture followed by beta decay, accelerated projectile bombardment, heavy ion bombardment, 10 IUPAC nomenclature of super heavy element with atomic number Z greater than 100. So here 10 IUPAC nomenclature of super heavy elements with atomic number greater than 100. Next topic, iron and steel. In this occurrence and ores of iron, definition of terms ore, mineral, slag, flux, matrix, calcination, reduction, roasting, smelting and leaching, extraction of iron by blast furnace, steel, definition and types, conversion of cast iron into steel by Bessemer process, LD process, heat treatment on steel. Next topic, bioinorganic chemistry. In this introduction, essential and trace elements in biological process, metalloporphyrins with special reference to hemoglobin and myoglobin. Biological role of alkali alkaline earth metal ion with special reference to Na plus, K plus and Ca2 plus. So, this is the syllabus for your BSc 3rd Chemistry paper 13 Inorganic Chemistry for semester 6. So for semester 6 chemistry paper number 13 Inorganic Chemistry BSc 3rd, for the exam there are 5 topics: coordination chemistry, nuclear chemistry, chemistry of F block element, iron and steel and bioinorganic chemistry. So this is the syllabus of BSc 3rd semester 6 chemistry paper number 13 inorganic chemistry. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos on Firestone chemistry. Thank you.